rebels, but not for long. So let's watch.
This is Alexa Mon, John Manning, and Bak Bak.
I'm Panaruu, and this is our group talking about how education is bad. This is Victoria, Fed, Tira Young, and Dan Young.
Education will help you be successful in life. If you pay attention in school, doors will be open for a better future. With education, you have a chance to support your family and follow your dreams.
What are you talking about? You don't have to have education to support your family.
There's always a time for partying, but education should come first.
For me, I don't like education. I just like partying, doing wild stuff, being a thug, just in the streets all the time. I hate my parents. I like doing all this stuff. Just chill with my friends. I hate school.
Education is good because it helps you get like good jobs and helps you with the skills so you could be like doctors or engineers and stuff like that.
Sports are better than education because in sport you get a lot of money and girls. We came to the United States as refugees looking for a better life. Our parents sacrificed almost everything just so that we, their children, can have a better future. I say that we, as children, should try harder in school so that one day we can go back to South Sudan and do what we got to do in order for everyone just to succeed. Thank you.
Well, what about what Nod just said? Me and my group went over this, and we think that education is good, so we're turning to the good side. You could go back to Sudan and help your family. You can help your family, yeah, South Sudan. You can help your family here. You could, if you have younger brothers and sisters, they'll look up to you. Sports are not always the answer to everything. Like he said, we're always on the streets. That's not a good thing. If you get arrested and go to jail and you have no education, there's nothing you can do about it. You're just gonna stay in jail because your family's not gonna look up to you and think you're a good person. So they're just gonna leave you out in the streets to rot. So stay in school.
Tangaman, I am going to talk about Northern Bargazal. Northern Bargazal has an area of 30,543 kilometers and is part of Bargazal's regions. Northern Bargazal, capital state, is Awil. It has 4 countries. They are Awil Central, Awil North, Awil South, and Awil East. Northern Bargazal borders South Darfur to the North World State, Abil to the east, Western Bargazal to the west and south. Paul Malangawan became the Northern Bargazal governor in 2005. Thank you.
Population of 333,431 and an area of 93,000 kilometers squared. The governor is Rizik Hassan Zakaria. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Norn Yang. What Up State is by Lake State to the south and by Western Equator State. Kujak is the capital of What Up. The governor of What Up State is Nyang Deng Malay. Nyang Deng Malay has served as governor of What Up since May 2005-2010. She is the first female state governor in South Sudan. The population of people in What Up is 9,245. What Up, yay! Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mo, and I'm going to talk about Lake State. The capital is Lumbek. The governor of Lake State is Mr. Choi Ding. Thank you. And I'm going to be talking about Western Equatoria. Western Equatoria was carved out of Equatoria region after the signing of the CBA in January 9, 2005. It covers an area of 79,343 square kilometers. The population is over 1,470,625. Thank you.
My name is Terrio, and I am going to talk about Eastern Equatoria. It has an area of 82,542 kilometers squared. The capital is Tarik. The governor is Luis Lojora. Eastern Equatoria borders Uganda, Kenya, and Ethiopia. Thank you.
And I am going to talk about Central Equatoria. The state governor is Major General Clement Wani Kanga. It is the smallest South Sudanese state with an area of 22,956 kilometer squares. Central Equatoria has a population of 1,103,592 people. The state capital is Juba. It also is the national capital of South Sudan. This is all on Central Equatoria. Once again, my name is Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Alonso. I'm here to talk about Jonglei. Jonglei is the biggest state by area. It's approximately 122,581 kilometers. Population is 1,443,500 people. Thank you. My name is Ataka Pet. Upper Nile is one of the 10 states of South Sudan. The governor of Upper Nile and their first governor in the independence of South Sudan is Simon Kanpouch. The states are apart with Unity State and Jonglei State. Upper Nile has an area of 77,773 kilometers squared. Malakal is the capital of the state. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Wango, and I am going to talk about Unity State. Bentu is the capital of Unity State. It is located in the Upper Nile region and has a population of 600,000 people. That is all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Yuenga. I'm going to be talking about this. Oba is 10,460 kilometers in area. Oba's capital is Oba town. Its official languages are Arabic and English. It is considered to be a historical bridge between North and South Sudan. Thank you.